And welcome back, Gorilla Man's Garage. We're outside in the freezing cold. It's about minus 12, minus 13. I'll put the stats up there for you there. We have today the Ruko F11Pro 2. We had one before. If you remember, go back in my files and you'll find it. Crash, 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 crash. I finally was able to pass it on to somebody that kind of fixed it and kind of is working periodically, I guess. But crash, crash, and I told Ruko about it, and they figured there was something wrong with the main board, so they sent me another one. Again, those 7. Oh, we got satellites there. So those 7 famous words. They sent me this drone for review. Again, very good at Ruko. What I love about these drones are they feel so much differently in the hand. Okay, the quality is really good. The attention to detail, the packaging, the case that comes in, the batteries, everything is really, really good. Unfortunately, this one is over 250 grams, but there you go. And it has a 1/3.2 camera, very, very similar specs to the 00 Robotics, I'm going to say it, the V-Copter Falcon Mini, version 2. Okay, this 1/3.2 camera has, and I'll show you here, has maximum photos of 5700 by 3200. So there is hope for 00. It is FAT32, but this one is, what is it? Yeah, H.265. Okay, there you go, 4K, 30 frames per second. Not much in the way of adjustments to that, but there we go. Let's get it up and running and see what happens here. Okay, down and in.
And locked.
And up.
Fly.
And I'm just going to let it sit there for a minute, turn around, look at us. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. We're in speed mode number 1. There we are, come on around. Okay, let's take a picture here. Let's take this picture. There we go. We're going to take 3 pictures because we're going to go back into here. We're going to go to there. Take that picture. And we're going to go back again into there. And we're going to take that picture. Go back into there again. And we're going to go into the top one. There we go. And we're going to go and take a video. Here's video. Here we go with the video. Okay, come in a little closer. It's doing pretty good. There we go. Back again. There we go. And sport mode. Where's our speeds? Here's our speeds here. We've got sport mode. It says up there on the left. Stable. Sport. That's all we got. Coming forward. Last time I did this, this is when things went bad. Okay, but we're going to come closer. A little faster. There we go. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we can get this on this camera film here. Here we go. I'm going to walk around it. There we go. And it should be pretty good. Should be right here. Hard to see on this little thing, but there we are. It's very good. It's coming drifting a little bit, but not bad at all. Come back to me. There we go. There we go. There it is. Not bad at all. Okay, it's in sport mode. Go back to stable mode. Okay, come back. There we are. Okay, let's go into sport because there's a bit of wind. Okay, let's go back. Okay, now we're gonna stop that video. And switch the video to 2.7 at 30. I like that one. 2.7 at 30. Let's try that one. Start the video. There we go. Okay, let's go up a little bit. Okay, it's in sport mode, I think. There we go. Turn around and go forward. And we're up about 25 meters. That's good enough. Let's go a little bit. And Looking for the dial there. There we go. And there we go. Full stick forward. There we go. Speed. Stable. Sport mode. Come on back. Here it is. Oh, it's leaned over pretty good. We get all these options here as well if we want. Split screen, night mode, zoom. Zoom only works. So if I go zoom, okay. See, I don't think it. Come on back out. There we go. Don't think that works onto the actual video, but let's see that go away. It's up there. Okay, boom, boom. GPS follow, angle, zoom, split screen, vertical, recording mode. Where's the? There is no circle mode. I thought there was. I'm looking for something else. GPS follow, flight around. That's the one there, flight around.
Flights around.
Okay. And I'm going to go backwards a bit. Increase it. There it is. See, I can increase the distance by going like that. It goes around. That's good. So I can increase the distance. It goes that way. And I can make it go higher. Still goes lower, all that kind of stuff. It's really good. So we're going to stop that.
Around exit.
And we're coming home because my fingers are absolutely freezing. Here we go. Bring it down. Oh, I'm cold. Down we come, here we come. There we go, stop that video. And get out of that. Come forward. I'll come out in to meet you there. And we turn around. I'm going to grab you and come down. Let's stop that video. Good. Down we come. Here we go. And we're going to come under and down. And there it is. Okay, there it is. The Ruko F11Pro 2. My hands are absolutely frozen. Quick flight. Few of the things. It works really, really well. Too bad about the 1.3.2, 1/3.2, but did a pretty good job. Let's look at the video. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, make a donation, make me happy, and get me some hot chocolate. My hands are absolutely frozen. Okay? Bye now.